Lake Uluabat is the name of a freshwater lake in the vicinity of Bursa, Turkey. It is a large lake, covering an area of between 135 and 160 square kilometers depending on the water level, but very shallow, being only 3 meters deep at its deepest point. The lake contains 8 islands and one other that is sometimes an island and sometimes a peninsula. The largest island is known as Halililbi Island. In the southwest, the lake is fed by the Mustafa Kemal Pasar River, which has formed a silty delta. Water leaves the lake by way of the Uluabat stream, flowing to the west, and reaches the Sea of Marmara via the Susurluk River. Most shores of the lake are covered in submerged plants, and it has the most extensive white water lily beds in Turkey. Uluabat Lake is one of the breeding areas for the endangered pygmy cormorant. The latest DHKD survey in June 1998 found 823 pygmy cormorant pairs, 105 night heron pairs, 109 squacco heron pairs, and 48 spoonbill pairs breeding on Uluabat. The alternative name Lake Apollyon comes from the lake's Greek classical name Apolloniatus, from Apollonia on the Rindicum, an ancient Greek city situated on its banks which had considerable importance since it was on major trade routes. Modern residential areas by its shores are Mustafa Kemal Pasar and Karakabi. The area was famous for centuries for its silkworm cultivation, but this industry has died out due to synthetic fabrics. The main industry today is fishing. St. Constantine. St. Constantine is a small island inside the lake. During the Byzantine era, there was a monastery of St. Constantine on the island. Today the island is uninhabited, but the monastery has survived Ottoman conquest of Asia Minor. The Orthodox monastery has received attention from scholars because of its inscribed cross type with apses east and west. Important bird area. The lake, which is in unprotected status, was declared by BirdLife International as an important bird area in 1989 for its waterfowl species of international character and species which are globally threatened.